In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Zoho Books API key, a crucial step if you're looking to integrate Zoho Books with other applications seamlessly. Whether you're a developer or someone with keen interest in APIs, having access to the API key allows you to interact programmatically with your Zoho Books account. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, start by going to the Zoho Books website. You'll need to navigate to the homepage where you can access all the functionalities the platform offers. It's essential to have your Zoho account login details handy, as you will need to log in for this process. Once you're on the Zoho Books homepage, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll find everything related to your accounts, transactions, and reports. Next, scroll down the page until you find the link to the developer section. This is an important step, as Zoho Books integrates with Zoho Developer to grant access to API credentials. Now, click on Access Zoho Developer. This will direct you to Zoho's development ecosystem, where various developer tools are housed. The developer platform is designed to provide all necessary resources and information for bringing in developer efficiency and for building custom integrations. Next, navigate your way to the Zoho API section and click on it. Here, you'll get to explore what the Zoho API offers. Essentially, this section will open you to a world of possibilities in terms of what you can achieve with the API, ranging from retrieving data to managing different aspects of your account programmatically. It's a fantastic resource for building highly customizable applications and workflows that can interact with your financial data as needed. Then, you'll want to click on Explore APIs. This part of the Zoho developer interface is particularly useful. It gives you the opportunity to browse through the various APIs available, learn about their capabilities, and understand how to make API requests to perform certain actions. Whether you're looking to automate your accounting tasks or integrate your system with other applications, knowing how to navigate through this area offers you significant benefits. Following these steps gives you the ability to access your API key for Zoho Books. Remember, these keys are sensitive pieces of information that grant access to your account. As such, it's crucial to treat them with confidentiality and avoid sharing them indiscriminately. If you ever feel that your API key may have been compromised, don't hesitate to regenerate it through the developer console. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll have your Zoho Books API key in no time, opening new paths to optimizing your workflows and integrating your favorite tools with your Zoho Books account. Good luck, and I hope this video was helpful in your API journey.